future is not humans versus machines. It's humans and machines versus machines. Hello, this is Christine. This is my voice, not an AI. In this video, I will guide you through 5 key skills that you will need in the next decade to succeed in this age. This is coming from watching the history of technology and being in the tech industry for over a decade, and also being in the psychology space where I spent a lot of time studying what makes humans thrive, what makes people prosper in an economy that is new, what kinds of people adapt and succeed in chaotic environments. So let's jump right in. The first key skill that you will need is the ability to work with machines. This is not about coding. You don't have to be a coding genius. No, if you are, that's great, but that is not the point. The point is being able to work hand in hand with technology to achieve your goal. Let's say today you want to be a lawyer, right? Understanding how to work with AI will allow you to enhance your workflow and to learn more at a faster pace. The ability to work with AI will give you an advantage. The future is not humans versus machines. It's humans and machines versus machines, or humans and machines versus humans and machines. Artificial intelligence, right? The ability to process information, the ability to create arguments and points at a fast pace. That is how intelligence is measured, logic, right? And when you have a machine who can do a lot of these things faster than us, when you learn how to work with it, you get to accelerate your career, you get to accelerate how you work with the world, and even how you start a business. Everything will change. But first, you need to learn how to work with these technologies. It's not just about ChatGPT or Perplexity or Claude. It's also learning about blockchain, right? Decentralized finance. How does this work? This will be the future. And once you understand how to work with these technologies, you will be at an advantage. The second key skill is learning how to learn. We talked about intelligence as the ability to reason, right, to process information, to come up with ideas. A lot of this, intelligence is a broad topic, but you get what I mean, right? It's processing, right? Your brain processing. Now, if you learn how to learn, what happens, right? If a new technology comes in, let's say decentralized finance again. Okay, decentralized finance. And this is a huge jargon for a lot of us, right? For DeFi. And you look at it and you're just like, how in the world am I going to learn this? Learning how to learn is the ability to understand how you learn so you can accelerate learning the topic. So there are multiple ways of learning depending on you. For example, some people are auditory learners. They learn best when listening to podcasts or lectures. Some people, they thrive better when they're looking at PowerPoints, like visual learners, right? So understanding how you learn and being able to write that down and say, okay, next time there's a new topic, this is how I'm going to learn it. That will accelerate you and allow you to learn the key skills that are needed in the age of AI. So there you go. Learning how to learn. The third key skill that we get to have in the age of AI is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is all about learning how you work as a person, right? How do you deal with stressors? How do you deal with emotions? And are you aware of them, right? And learning how to regulate them. Emotional intelligence is also about adaptability, the ability to be in social situations and learning how to adapt depending on the culture, on the norms. Emotional intelligence is also the ability to handle stressors. When there's high pressure in your life, how do you cope? As jobs shift, there will be periods of transition. And we are in one right now, right? The new president elected, that is a period of transition. How we deal with these transitions requires us to have a strong, not just mind, but strong heart. It's like a surfer, right? A good surfer knows how to ride the waves. When you learn how to ride the waves of your emotions and how you deal with new informations and stressors, you can ride the wave of AI like a happy surfer. The fourth skill is creative thinking. We see tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT can even generate images. What is the future of creativity? One of the reasons I study psychology while being in tech is, well, one, it's my childhood passion, but another reason is the more machine-like machine is, the more human-like we get to be. That is the way to stand out. That is the way of the future. And creativity, the ability to piece together ideas, to create something new, to look at a problem and see things from different perspectives. So let's say today, in 5 years from now, you see an AI tool that's new. If you have creative skills, you'll be able to see, oh, here is how I can adapt this technology to my existing business, right? This ability to shift gears and come up with new ideas is going to be so important as new tools come in. Being able to work with machines is going to bring your art form to another level. And if you are a business owner, seeing all of these new tools combined with your creative skills, you will be able to come up with ideas that are novel and useful for people. The fifth point, social skills. Some people are like, okay, now I have AI. I don't have to talk to anyone. I'll just talk to GPT. But here's the thing, as technology evolves, right? Those of us who grew up in the online world, you know how interconnected we all are. And as the virtual world evolves, right, and it is becoming more and more real each day, it is for a lot of people already in parallel with their real lives, right? And as more people come online and treat this online world as part of their world, you will get to interact more and more with people from around the world that are beyond your backyard, that are beyond your city. You'll get to engage, not just engage, but work with people from around the world. An example, my previous company, in a blockchain company, we were from over 100 different cultures, different languages, different time zones, different ways of looking at a subject, different ways of talking and communicating. So the ability to talk, communicate, collaborate with people around the world as the workforce becomes more and more global, as your friend group becomes more and more global, is going to be very important because this will unlock a lot of opportunities for you. If you are watching this and you are in a small town and you're just like, oh my God, how am I gonna get out of this? The good news for you is in the future, the world, as it becomes more global and online, you will have a lot of opportunities for you. So learning social skills, learning how to collaborate with people around the world will be very important. Cool. So that's it for now. This is 5 skills that you'll need to thrive in the age of AI. Make sure to click subscribe. You'll learn how to thrive with AI with me. I'll be uploading here every week. I'll be with you and guiding you through this fun, exciting roller coaster ride that we are all in right now. See you in the next one.